Okay, ready? I didn't want my video.
Mama!
Yes.
I brought us a little friend.
You did.
I'm ripping him off your head.
So cute too.
No!
Juice.
It's spooky wicked.
Did you hurt your head when you fell today? You're being mean to Anna.
Come on!
Well, that's right. I'm supposed to stay on the ceiling. That's Juice singing. He's
Where did everybody go?
We're in the cave. We're going to go to the burping cucumber. Oh, so cute.
Hi, little cutie.
Oh, boy. Yep,
He would
come
kill
on.
us.
He was going to kill us? How could something that cute kill us? Are you almost here?
I got it!
Boy, Juice, today is just not your day, sir. You wrecked your...
No, it's not.
You
I beat
wrecked
him
your...
up, though.
You wrecked your motorcycle 4 times. Or you actually, it's not a
Come on, guys.
motorcycle. What do you call it, honey? It's not a scooter.
A dirt bike.
The dirt bike, yeah. You wrecked your dirt bike 4 times.
And now the little monster chases me.
And now the monsters are trying to kill ya. Boy.
Which way?
Lord, send him the
I'm pretty sure I escaped death multiple times today.
I'm pretty sure you did. Uh-oh.
Just stick to the roof. Just stick to the roof.
No, look, he's got his clothes. Run.
I'll distract him.
I'm going as fast as my old lady arms would take me. Ooh, wee. I never seen
Come
a
on, you
spider
won't
put
get
his
me.
claws up
You won't.
before. Oh! He killed Juice? Oh, there you are. Oh, yeah.
He tried to.
He sure did. Now we gotta go for a swim.
Which way do we go?
Right?
Anna, push me! Ah!
Oh.
Ow, bad on him.
Anna, why'd you do that?
Because I can.
Well, see, that's how these children are, because they can.
Clouds.
Okay. We have to collect these things to give to the burping cucumber. And make
Which
it
way was
The one
it
that
to
likes
get
me
there?
too much.
Yes, he likes Juice a lot. He likes to pick on Juice.
Which way was it to get there? I forgot.
Hold on.
Another thing,
It's not
another
this
book.
way. This is the way we got to
Up
go
here.
at all these clams. They call them gloop balls or
right.
something.
Here.
Because I need these to save the kids. Without these, he won't get back to kids. He turns them into ghosts. You see, hear him already yelling. I'm collecting them.
Driving crazy.
Look what I created. Look what I created.
1 second, I'm getting these
Look what I
things so
created.
that hopefully he won't eat no children tonight. Uh-oh.
Let me swim. I can't swim.
Wait till I get this YouTube channel up. You guys are gonna have
Here you go.
a fit when they see me, Hannah, aren't they? I literally bend down,
Yeah.
crawl on the ground and everything, thinking I have to get through all these things. Which way are we going? I got like
Look,
4
look
of
what I
them.
created.
Huh? There you go. Yeah, your light is bright. Wee.
It's a
There's
grappler.
Onto the boat. Ooh.
Which way are we going, cowboy?
I think we're gonna go up here.
We're going up there? You coming?
Guys, I'm fitting him, but he won't give
Rosie, I have to get on
Hey.
earlier tomorrow. I have to get on at like 7 for Wicked because he... Uh-oh, I hear him.
I'm
I
right
heard
here.
him.
I'm
Use
right
your
here.
grappler to get up here.
I can stay up late.
Yes, he did.
I can stay up late. I just
Where'd you guys
I'm
go?
just not patient.
Guys.
Where are you?
Oh,
you're
that's
right
right. We gotta go down the slide.
And now I can't pick it up.
I
Motion.
I can stay up late. I just can't wait because I have ADHD.
There we go.
Yeah, well,
I can't get up.
my one boy
I
Wicked,
need my
How you
grappler,
doing?
now I can't pick it up. There we go.
he's got a time, and Mom respects that. That's
He already
character.
hurt me.
Uh-oh. Oh, no!
I'm gonna
Juice.
go to hide.
All my stuff fell out
Yes?
of my bag. Get in there. Is my bag full?
No.
Uh-oh. He's
I'm
killing
gonna
the
go say
kid.
hi to him.
Go, Juice. Ooh,
Hi, dog. How you
he's
doing?
crazy.
Hello.
There went somebody's grappler. Not you again tonight, cowboy. He likes to eat the children.
Dude, such stuff.
He is the nastiest player in the game. Juice, he's nasty. He burps too much. And he doesn't even say excuse me.
Eat that.
Anna, my bag is full of the clams. Do you want to give it to him?
I'm so broken when you cry. So broken when you cry.
Now watch, Mom. Oh, gosh. Come down, I'll save you. Oh, Jesus. Last time I tried to save you, he ate me. He puked all over the place.
Mama, look.
Emotions, body, emotions.
Yeah, Anna puts them on herself.
Put this in the video.
Ew, a new video.
No one's ever gonna take away my special claim, right? Oh, hey, mister.
Watch, he's getting close. He's going to eat you.
How you doing?
Give it back.
Oi!
You sound like Nicola.
Isn't he rude? He's rude. Oi! He just ate the one. Oh no, he just ate Wicked. Where are there? Where is the ghost? What's the matter, honey?
I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead.
No, come on, we're going to get you out of the water.
You puked on me.
Yeah, I see that.
You puked on me.
I'm dead. How come everyone else just stays at spawn and you're the one missions?
Juice?
Wait,
It's going to
I
get
have a
you.
kick button. I have a kick button. If I need to kick someone, let me know.
Okay, who has the kick?
I have me.
Okay, Wicked, you're a new moderator. You know the rules with that, right? You can't be tormenting people with it just because you have it.
Only if they're being bad. Only if they're being bad.
Usually, oh no, where did I put my grappler? Usually we have one of
If
the.
they be,
Usually we have one of the scene
Oh, he has
moderators.
something on your back. He has stuff on you.
What you want me to
if
give
they
you
be
back?
this
honey?
bad,
Anyways,
if they be,
No, there's stuff on your back. Never
if they
mind.
be bad, I'm gonna give them 3 strikes, and on the first strike, I'm gonna do like
Yeah,
stuff
emotion.
like that, or
Okay.
you could get kicked
Just
off.
as,
How you doing?
just as long as you be very respectful with it, because Mama doesn't really like that thing too much. Your backpack's over there. I saw him kill you. Here's your backpack.
No, I don't need it.
Oh no, did he eat Anna? Leave my granddaughter alone and leave her alone. Get away from her. Watch Anna, he's trying to eat you. Look, the goo will stick anywhere. We need the goo.
Dodge my leg, the thing will eat me.
Uh-oh.
Wait up.
Now he's uneating another one of the kids.
Mama, you.
Whoa! Come down, I can save you. Come down. Uh-oh.
Took my stuff.
Where are you? You're down the hole?
Hey, my grappler.
How'd you get down there,
Mama,
Chief?
where are you at? I can hear you, but I don't know where you are.
We're with the burping guy.
Where's the thing?
Come through the slide tunnel, honey.
I haven't been down here yet.
Have you been over here yet?
I see a bed.
Come down.
Okay, come down. Juice said to come down. Come down, honey. I forgot to talk to my watch. I'm sorry.
Sorry, I'm late.
Move to the motions, buddy.
This way.
Emotions, body, emotion.
Can I kick him
You're
from the
singing
game?
for us, Juice.
Emotion.
Can I kick him from the game?
So,
Say one more time. He is being bad.
I'm kicking him.
Did he eat Anna? Oh, there she is.
Mama, look.
He found his way.
What happens if we shoot it? What happens if we shoot it?
You need to go. Oh, okay.
I'm gonna head back if you don't mind.
I don't mind. Here. You guys all got your backpacks? And you all have been introduced to the rudest player in the game. He gives us good stuff after he is rude. And that's a wrap for you, sir.
Wait, who stole
Okay.
my flashlight?
He may have taken it. Here, if you need one. Take this one. Here, take this one. Take this one. Got it? Okay, Juice, get us out of here, sir.
What is that backpack?
That's the goop.
Do we need it?
this is the hard way to
No,
get
you
out.
don't eat it. Well,
This is
somebody's stabbing me to death.
Oh, my bad, my bad.
This is the hard way to get out. Come back the other way.
Okay, honey. Whoa, you're gonna kill me.
Sorry.
Go down this way. And this hole's more wide, so you won't get stabbed.
He's stabbing me to death.
Not on purpose.
I know that, honey.
Watch out.
Okay. Hurry, Juice, I'm bleeding out. Okay, oh, that's right, up here.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, no.
All right.
Are you here?
See this green circle? You ready? Okay, Juice, get us out of here. And that is a wrap.
That's a wrap.
That is a wrap.